Today we're going to continue with the properties of parabolas. I'm going to graph when we do have a linear term. So first step, let's find our axis of symmetry, which is x equals the opposite of b divided by 2 times a. I know my a value is 1, my b value is a -2, my constant is a -3. So I have -2 divided by 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And since we have two positives, it's a positive 1. So my axis of symmetry is x equals 1. So I'm going to graph my axis of symmetry. X equals 1, and label. So step 2, I need to find my vertex. I know my x value is a 1. So in order to find my y, I'll plug it in. So y equals 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 3. So y equals 1, because 1 squared is 1. -2 times 1 is a -2 minus 3. So 1 minus 2 minus 3 is a -4. So our vertex is a positive 1, -4. Third step, let's find our axis or y-intercept, which is 0, and our constant, which is a -3. So if I graph that point, 0 and a -3, I'm going to find my corresponding point, graph my quadratic function. Let's look at the second one. My a value is a -1/2, my b is a -2, and my c is 4. So first step, let's find our axis of symmetry. Opposite of b over 2 times a. My b is a -2. My a is a -1/2. So 2 times a -1/2 is a -1. -2 divided by -1 is a positive 2. So our axis of symmetry is at -2. So if I graph my axis of symmetry, so step 2, finding our vertex. We know our x value is -2, so we just have to find our y by plugging it in. So y equals -1/2 times -2 squared minus 2 times -2 plus 4. So -2 squared is a positive 4. -2 times a -2 is a positive 4 plus 4. So if we multiply, -1/2 times 4 is a -2, plus 4 plus 4. So -2 plus 4 equals 6. So our vertex is at -2, positive 6. So third step, let's find our y-intercept, which is 0, and our constant, which is 4. So 0, positive 4. Find my corresponding point. Label my vertex. There's my quadratic function.